Well, Happy New Year's. I hope everyone had a safe holiday and a good Christmas. And today we're going to attempt to get some of this pile thrown in the dumpster so they can come get the dumpster. I gotta do some maintenance to the truck, change the oil, change the fuel filter to it, and we'll be getting the lumber for the floor and the lumber for the walls today, so we'll take you along for that. So stay tuned. So this is the kind of stuff that we've been dealing with here at the property. It's just a mess. You can see some more back over there. But we'll try to get it cleaned up. Unfortunately, tires can't go in the dumpster. Just repeat the process probably 1,000 more times. We'll be good. So I was really trying to wait for this to dry up a little bit, but dumpster's got to go back. I don't like to say anything bad about people, especially behind their backs. If I was going to say something bad, I would generally like to say it to their face, but it makes me so angry that these people did this property like this, and I have to come back behind them and clean it all up. I'm going to try to pull that old trampoline out of there. That didn't work. So instead of picking through it and sorting through it and all that jazz, we're just going to scoop it up, throw it in the dumpster. It's going to be, the cost of it is, I guess, my time is more important. I have other things to be doing that I can be doing besides sorting through dirt and trash. So that's what we're doing now. So, well, it's not all up, but trash can's full, so we'll wait till they come and get that, and then we'll finish up the rest that we got going on here. As you can see, it's kind of muddy. It's hard to get any traction, but I guess it is what it is, you know. Can't wait any longer because they're gonna come get it tomorrow. We did get the garden going, or put to bed.
maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't.
So this is the stuff that we got. 6 mil, 20 feet by 100 feet. It's the only thing that we could find. Hopefully it worked. So we have to go to Lowe's and get the rest of our lumber and supplies and stuff for the master bedroom floor, so we can do that. We'll show you what we got when we come back. And the garden's not fully complete. We still do have to compost it. We just put the dirt that we scraped off the top, we put that back on there after we took all the grass and stuff out of there. So we'll show you the stuff we get from Lowe's, and that way you guys can check that out. All right, thanks.